The 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5, an electric small SUV, has achieved the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus status from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, marking it as a standout in vehicle safety. This high rating was largely attributed to its excellent performance in the updated moderate overlap front test, where the Ioniq 5 provided exceptional protection for rear passengers. During the test, it was noted that the dummy's head remained a safe distance from the front seat back, and sensors indicated a low risk of injuries to the head, neck, or chest. Additionally, the Ioniq 5 is equipped with either acceptable or good headlights across its trims, enhancing visibility and safety in varied lighting conditions. Its front crash prevention system for pedestrian crash avoidance was rated as acceptable, reflecting solid performance in this crucial area. Overall, the Ioniq 5's strong showing in the IIHS safety tests underscores its design and technological advancements aimed at ensuring passenger safety. The combination of top-tier crash test performance and reliable safety features solidifies the Ioniq 5's position as a leading choice for safety-conscious drivers looking for an electric vehicle.